So here it is, all finished up. I really like the way it came out, and hopefully it throws as well and it holds up as well as these did. Now overall I'd say this probably cost me about $3 to make. These cost me a little over $6 a piece, but that's mainly because of the saw blade. If I had to buy a new saw blade, there's probably about $6 or $7 in this. Let's see how this throws. Nice. I don't know if you could see that, but it jiggled a little bit when it hit the target. It seems to still be solid. Let's keep throwing and see what happens. Let's try throwing with the spike. Nice. I do have to say that this thing's got pretty good balance to it. Alright, so here it is after throwing. You can see there's a little bit of gap on the top here, and there's some play in the blade. But overall, I think this is a step in the right direction for a design. I like the way this looks. The balance is great. It throws really nicely. I think it could stand to be just a touch heavier. So what I'm thinking is actually taking a piece of mild steel, or a couple of pieces of mild steel, and forging out this half circle shape and creating an eye that I hot rivet to these blades. That way it can actually be fitted onto a tomahawk handle, much like you would a regular eye. So let me know what you think about that idea. I'm going to play around with these saw blades for a little bit because I have a couple of them, and we'll see what I come up with. If you guys have any suggestions or design ideas, please let me know. Now compared to this one, I like the balance and feel of it, but as far as durability goes, I've thrown this a bunch of times today, and there's no play, nothing's loose. It doesn't look like it's coming apart. So overall, I'm happier with the fit of this, but I do think that this design has promise. So as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.